Hello friends! Semiconductors education is crucial to the future, and many countries are already making their steps to secure their leadership. So let's see, what is new in power semiconductors industry? Keysight Technologies, a leading technology company that delivers advanced design and validation solutions to help accelerate innovation to connect and secure the world, announced the Scienlab SL1700A series, the next generation battery pack test system for high voltage battery packs, up to 1500 volt for automotive and industrial application. Customers need vast labs with multiple test channels to develop batteries, but space and power supplies are limited. Keysight's SL1700A series utilizes new high-voltage silicon carbide technology to achieve high efficiency and energy recovery capabilities, which is crucial to reduce overall lab costs. It provides high power in a small footprint and is modular and upgradable to address future power needs. SILTRONIC broke ground to extend the crystal pulling hall at its Freiberg site, which was inaugurated in 2016. An extension of the building monocrystals will be pulled to produce 300mm wafers used by the chip industry. Once completed, the new extension will provide capacity for further state-of-the-art crystal pulling equipment. The extension is planned to be completed by the end of the next year. Since SILTRONIC took over Freiberg Elektronikwerkstoffe in 1995, the company already invested more than €1 billion at the Freiberg site in Saxony. National Tsinghua University's plan to establish a College of Semiconductor Research has been approved by the Ministry of Education, and student recruitment will soon follow. President Ho Chun-hong said that the institute will be headed by academician of Academia Sinica Bernd J. Lin, whose research in immersion lithography has a major impact on the semiconductor industry worldwide. He added that with Lin's leadership, combined with the university's strength in technology and interdisciplinary studies, the College of Semiconductor Research will certainly become a major force in semiconductor industry. In addition to international companies such as Micron Technology and Tokyo Electron, the College of Semiconductor Research is being supported by TSMC, Powerchip Semiconductor Manufacturing Corporation, Global Wafers, Unimicron, United Microelectronics, Vanguard International Semiconductor Corporation, Novatech Microelectronics, and Nanotechnology, with an annual endowment totaling over 130 million new Taiwan dollars. Taiwan announced the main theme of Semicon Taiwan 2021, which is Semicon Taiwan 2021 is a journey, spearheading next-generation semiconductor technologies. In an effort to expand the scale of the exhibit, Taiwan will, starting September, hold 5 online forums focusing on key technologies. The exhibit is scheduled to be held in Q4 2021 after the online forums. The online forums are open for registration. Early bird discounts are available before the end of August. High power density, integration, and reliability are the fundamental ingredients for better high-power motor control applications. Join STMicroelectronics webinar to find out more about ST's SLIMM family of intelligent power modules for motor control applications and discover their wide product portfolio of IPMs. ST's IGBT technology and power packages boost performance and maximize efficiency in high-power 3-phase inverters such as commercial air conditioners, server drives, and general-purpose inverters. ST will provide benchmarks for comparison with key competition and show you the wealth of support material available to help you quickly come to terms with ST Power SLIMM implementation. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, see you next week. Meanwhile, go to Market and Psycho website for more information or join me in social media. Have a great week.